Welcome to our channel. We are going to be helping you a lot. We are a poultry farm. We do everything farming. So we are also here to impart knowledge into you, to show you what to do in times of need. We have so many questions on our table every day. So we decided to bring this up to be able to be teaching those who have less knowledge or who are ignorant of how to build a poultry farm. Today, I have our big educationist here, Madam Patricia of Heartland Farm. She is coming to educate you on how to start a successful poultry farm. You can start the poultry farm by the end of the day to just go down the drain. So we are here to teach you how to start a successful poultry farm. She's going to give you step by step everything you need to get a poultry farm. Just sit there, relax. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Always click that notification bell so that any video we will post, you will get it first. Don't forget, we are going to be teaching a lot on this channel every day, every time, about poultry farming, about every other thing about animal farming. So just stay tuned.
Hi guys, this is Patricia from Heartland Farm. I'm happy to be with you people today. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page, please just subscribe. Your subscription means a lot to us. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and we're also on TikTok, heartlandfarm.com. We are going to be talking about how to start a successful poultry farm today, because there's a lot of questions. People are following us, asking us how they can start a successful poultry farm and also maintain it. So we are here to talk about it today. I hope everybody is ready to watch this video and learn from it, because we are also here. Whatever questions you have, drop it, press on the notification bell on all our channels, so that whenever we post, you can also see it. Starting a poultry farm involves several steps and considerations to ensure success. Here is a detailed guide on what you need to get started. 1. Planning and research. You have to take your time to plan, and then you have to research. What are you planning and what are you researching? The market research, that is the most important one. Understand the demand for poultry. Understanding the demand for poultry products in your area, identify your target market and study your competitors. Because when you have a very comfortable market, you will be able to know what and what to put into your poultry farm. 2. Business plan. Create a comprehensive plan outlining your goals, your strategies, your budget, and financial projections. Includes details on the type of poultry that you will raise, broilers, layers, or both, and your business model. Before we start any business, whether poultry farm or any other business, we must look for a legal and regulatory requirements. We must have license and permits. You don't just wake up from your bed and go into any business. Likewise, in poultry farming, you must get a legal and regulatory requirement, which involves license and permits. Obtain the necessary license and permits to operate a poultry farm. This may vary from location and include health and safety regulations. Zoning laws. A lot of zones don't permit certain kind of birds or certain kind of animals in a poultry farm around the environment due to some certain health factors. So that is why you must ensure you choose a good location Choosing a good location complies with local zoning, laws and agricultural regulations. You're welcome back. Getting a location and the infrastructures ready. Site selections. Choose a location with adequate space, good drainage,